So if we take a look at the bolt hole options that we have within the software, these casters and this bolt here, I'm just going to turn off the mirror indicator to make it clearer. So we have bolts and we have casters that have bolts already tooled within them. Currently, if we go to the internal design, you can see that the casters and the bolts are creating cutouts, DXFs for the case and will appear on your outputs. However, if you don't want the casters to create that cutout, we can turn that feature off in the settings, which we'll do now. So under settings, we'll go to the project settings, and you can see here that project bolt holes to case panels are currently on. I'm going to turn that off and then go back to our project. Once this loads, we should be able to go back into the internal design and take a look. So internal design, and you can currently see that those holes are still there. Now that is because with cutouts, you have to force those to disappear. Now that's quite a simple function. Essentially, a dimension change will be enough just to re-output those sketch projections. So now that the case is updated, we can go back into the internal design and we can check out whether that has made all the difference. So now that the case has updated itself, it's now using the settings that are currently active in the program, and it has regenerated the base panel. And as you can see, we have our bolt, and there is, you can just see there, you can see the cutout in the blue line for the bolts that were placed, but not the casters. So this is something to understand. This setting affects the caster holes, and your fixing holes remain unchanged.